Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by verifying connectivity and eliminating simple blocks so you don't chase the wrong cause. Once connected, disable VPN or proxy and temporarily pause antivirus. This removes common interference. Now open Command Prompt as administrator. You need elevated rights to change network settings. You'll run commands to flush the DNS cache and reset TCP/IP so Chrome stops using stale records or corrupted sockets. These steps clear name resolution and networking state, which fixes most "this site cannot be reached" errors quickly. You'll now execute a short sequence of commands to rebuild Windows networking and remove cached entries. Start with ipconfig/flushdins, then release and renew the adapter lease so Windows asks the router for fresh settings. Next, run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset to restore socket and IP stacks. These fix corrupted network components. Restart the PC to apply changes. While restarting, prepare to clear Chrome's internal DNS by visiting chrome://netinternals and flushing the host cache. Then clear the browser cache. After your restart, verify the fix by loading the site in Chrome. Also try another browser to isolate Chrome from system networking. If problems persist, update the network adapter driver via Device Manager because outdated drivers can misbehave. Switch to a reliable public DNS like 8 or 1 to bypass ISB lookup issues. If nothing helps, reboot the router and run Chrome in incognito or create a new profile. This reveals extensions or profile corruption. One troubleshooting tip: if router reboot fails, temporarily tether to your phone to confirm where the fault lies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.